In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can implement Venn diagrams to answer a type of story problem like this. We've got in a class of 78 students, 41 are taking French, 22 are taking German. Of the students taking French or German, 9 are taking both. How many students are not enrolled in either course? All right, so the easiest way is to just create your Venn diagram. I am going to do a rectangle for the overall amount here. All right, which is 78 kids. Now I've got French and German, so I'm going to do 2 circles, one for French and then one for German. And I am going to make sure that they overlap because there will be some students that are taking both. 9 are taking both. So we're going to put 9 right in there. All right, now to figure out how many goes right here, we have a total of 41 taking French minus 9. So 41 minus 9 is 32. So that means 32 people are just taking French. Of our German, we've got 22 taking German. So 22 minus the 9. 22 minus 9 is going to be a 13. That means we have 13 here in German. So now I just have to add up all of these. So 32 plus 9 plus 13, that's going to be a total of 54. So right here, this total is 54. 32 plus 9 plus 13, that totals 54. So now total number of students is 78 minus 54. That's going to leave 24 students. So in here would be 24 students that are not enrolled in either course. So pretty straightforward. It's an easy way to organize your information. All right, Venn diagrams just work really nicely on a setup like this. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.